Effective tips to prevent heartburn. Heartburn is that uncomfortable sensation that often begins in the upper abdomen and can extend to the chest and even the throat. It's a common issue resulting from acid reflux, where stomach acid moves back up into the esophagus. Left unchecked, it can disrupt sleep and cause daytime fatigue. Fortunately, there are several scientifically supported methods to reduce and control heartburn symptoms. 1. Eat dinner early. People who eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed are 50% less likely to experience nighttime heartburn. Why? Going to bed right after eating doesn't give your stomach enough time to digest, which increases internal pressure and can push acid into the esophagus. Eating dinner early and taking a light walk afterward allows for better digestion. 2. Choose low-fat foods. Why it works. Fatty foods like pizza, burgers, or rich desserts take longer to digest, putting extra pressure on the stomach. Each heavy, high-fat meal can double your risk of acid reflux. Pro tip: opting for lighter foods instead, such as lean meats, steamed vegetables, and fruits. These choices reduce stomach pressure and also support weight management, as excess weight can worsen heartburn. 3. Manage stress. The surprising connection. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase stomach acid production, exacerbating heartburn. During stress, your body has physical and nervous reactions that stimulate the digestive system. Practicing relaxation techniques, like yoga or breathing exercises, can ease symptoms and prevent unnecessary acid production. 4. Sleep on your left side. Why sleeping on your left side helps. Sleeping on the left side naturally reduces acid reflux, as this position helps keep acid in the stomach. The angle between the stomach and esophagus when lying on the left side reduces the chance of acid moving up. This simple, no-cost technique can ease heartburn at night. 5. Elevate your head while sleeping. Why this works. Using a higher pillow or elevating the top of the bed harnesses gravity to keep acid down. Research shows that raising your head 6 inches can reduce nighttime reflux symptoms by up to 75%. 6. Avoid tight clothing. How clothing affects heartburn. Tight clothes, especially around the waist, can increase abdominal pressure, pushing acid into the esophagus. Choosing looser clothing keeps both your stomach and body comfortable, especially at night. 7. Limit caffeine and carbonated beverages. Why carbonated drinks are harmful. These beverages fill the stomach with gas, putting pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter and pushing acid upwards. Caffeine and stomach acid. Drinks like coffee and tea can stimulate acid production. Replacing them with water or caffeine-free herbal teas can help control heartburn. 8. Time your exercise wisely. Any intense exercise, especially abdominal workouts like sit-ups, shortly after eating can increase abdominal pressure, making acid reflux more likely. Recommendation: if you're prone to heartburn, wait at least an hour after eating before exercising and avoid exercises that put direct pressure on the stomach.